They do not have good quality pizza in Ohio. Yeah, Rocco's, y'all, Rocco's. You can fold it, New York style. Yeah, man, look at that cheesy spot over there. All right, y'all, we about to go eat. Of course, baby boy right there, chilling. Got him out of Ohio for a minute. We about to go over to this spot called Rocco's. Rocco's Pizzeria, man. You know, let's go check it out, see what they got. Little Matt in the house. We at Rocco's, y'all. Rocco's.
That looks good.
Check out the Rocco's
right?
pizza.
Do you want? Are you
Oh yeah, the pepperoni look good. Yours look better than mine, man. I should have got pepperoni.
You should have gotten pepperoni.
Thank you.
Listen to your son.
Man,
Put some on mine too, man. It's good to have a son who's work for you.
use my strong
Yeah,
hand.
don't yours look better than mine? You think it's because the
For
pepperoni
sure.
on it or what?
If I had pepperoni grease. Liven it
I don't
up.
even
Put it
see
on the
none of
side.
the. That's good. That's good. That's good. Give me my plate. Oh, it feels hot though. What y'all think, right? Y'all know how usually people be like, "Oh, that grease don't mean
I
it's
think
this."
this looks delicious.
Yeah, cause you from Ohio. They don't have good pizza in
They
Ohio.
don't.
Y'all be eating Papa John's and
I was honest.
all that stuff. I'm gonna put a lot of crushed
this
pepper
about to
on
be
it,
good.
y'all. I'm putting a lot of crushed pepper on it. Is it good? Oh yeah? Tell us about it. What's going on?
Good. It's crispy.
Crispy? It ain't soft? Hold up. It better not be that crispy. Hold up. Hold up, y'all. I'm from Jersey. Let the boy from Jersey do it. I need more cheese too. I'm about to open this cheese up. Oh, there you go. Why was he faking on the cheese?
How you open
What
it?
the heck? I didn't open up. I just started shaking it proper, man. Come on, man. Oh, now he gonna try to get some more. See what I'm saying? Now he wanna do, cause I got some more. Now he's trying to put some more in his.
No, I like Owie.
He's trying to describe it, y'all. He said flaky, still doughy. Does it need salt? It doesn't need salt to it. All right. Only thing I wanted was some garlic, but I should have got some fresh garlic on mine. All right, y'all. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. We at Rocco's Pizza in Hollywood Beach, Florida. This is our second spot that we're eating at. I was gonna do tacos. Oh, I like the bend on the crust though. All right, y'all. Rocco's is official. From the look of it, I didn't know. I didn't know, y'all. Rocco's is official. It's a thinner slice, right? But it's official. I want some more crushed pepper on mine. It's like a thinner slice, but the cheese is delicious. The sauce is really good. I mean, it's not a lot of sauce. See, it's not dripping off or anything. If I held it up, nothing's dripping. No oil dripping. But the flavor, and like my son said, the texture and the crispiness is really good. The birds are chirping at me.
I don't see why they don't got this in Ohio, like good quality pizza.
He said they do not have good quality pizza in Ohio. They got Papa John's, they got Pizza Hut, I bet. You still have Pizza Hut?
Yep.
Donato's. Oh my goodness. I haven't heard of Donato's in years. the pizza slices were $4 each. And the whole pie, what was that? A small pie for $20 or a medium?
Medium.
It was a medium pie for $20. So we just went with the slices. I just got one slice because I might be eating again later. See that dough? Some people say the dough's not done, but that dough is done, son. That dough is done.
I like when it's a little gummy.
It's done. Huh?
I like when it's a little gummy on the inside.
A little gummy, yeah, but it's done. It's still done. I agree.
One more Sprite? One more Cherry Coke? Huh? Well, enjoy your birthday. You guys have fun on your cruise.
She said the owner's from New York, y'all.
The owner's from New York, and we got the best pizza.
I agree. Thank you. All right, on to the next one. We just out here creating content, man. You know, we about to get on this ship. Then we're gonna head over to the boat show. It's a lot going on, man. Y'all, it's a lot going on. It's hot out here too.
Feel good.
You said it feel good. You said it feel good. Ohio.
Walking in
Got Ohio in the house.
Yo.
Let's go see what's happening now, y'all. We out here, we out here, we out here. I know we gotta be out here hanging with the boat, man. This boat is a crabbing boat. You're talking to one of the engineers, man. This is too cool. Check out this hole. Check out this hole on the boat. That's where you put them crabs at, man. This is pretty cool. You about to be ready to get your own boat now?
Man.
You be fishing on this joker for real, right?
All right, come on now, boy. So what you got?
There you go. Good job. Well, it has been one adventurous day. Right now, it's almost 9 o'clock. Y'all know I got up real early to catch that plane. It's bedtime. Get up early in the morning, get some coffee, start editing that episode, post it. Y'all should see that episode here or now. All right, y'all. I posted up on Instagram, and one of our subscribers said, "Yo, we're close, so let's like go sneak up on them." It's not really sneaking. Oh, they work in this spot right there called Great Clips. Let's go meet some of our subscribers. It's a we thing. It's an our thing. It's not my subscribers. It's our subscribers.
Cool guy.
I think it's cool guy, yeah. Come on, Kaka. Let's go up in here. Cool guy. I don't know, but how you doing? Be this guy I want right here. Yo, I like that what you're doing, man.
Yeah.
You hooking it up.
Hey, how we doing?
All right, how are you? See, this cool guy right here, y'all. This is what he do. We just gotta say big up. We're not gonna get a cut today. I just wanted to come by and show you some love and appreciate you.
YouTuber.
Which honestly is probably for the best.
He know what he doing, bro? He know what he doing? He said no. He said no, okay.
He's the new guy. He just came into town from. Where are you from? Honduras.
Oh, the Honduras, okay.
So,
Okay,
it's my
bienvenido.
first time. He came in with parades and everything.
Nice. That's my son.
Oh my God.
All right, we're gonna leave you, man. I'm gonna hit you
All
up
right.
later. I'm in the area for a couple days, and we're going up north.
Get in touch with you. I'll get something to eat.
Thanks, I appreciate you. I don't know why the door dragging like that. This is it, y'all. We here, Fort Lauderdale. This is a snack for just to let y'all know what kind of way I'll be snacking. And y'all know what's in the refrigerator. I got that milk in there. They have stoves in here too, like nice sweets, man. These are like $2 a night. Right there, you got baby boy out on the balcony. Baby boy. You got baby boy out on the balcony. Right there. We're gonna take that water taxi later, y'all. We'll show y'all some video from it. Maybe we'll shoot that before I finish this video. Alrighty then. And you have the rooms. Got the double john. It's a little chilly in here, y'all, just FYI. And you got a window in the room. It's chilly in this room. Where's the thermostat control? Got the window here. And you got the bathroom. That door is locked. I don't know where it goes. These are good questions. Hey family, this is your man Matt DV. Thanks again for hanging out with us. As always, we appreciate you. And if nobody told you they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people. Love you, cat. See you at the next one.